Oh, yeah. Money good, money good. S2's yours. What's going on, everybody? Today I just cleaned up my car. Got the stuff that I needed to get out of the car. Got the top down for the S2. I'll let you guys know what's going on today. First, make sure everything's good. Make the temperature right. So today we're gonna go to the wash, clean up the car. Almost got from my bag. Water. You want to drive? You want to drive the S2?
Huh?
You want to drive the S2?
Nah, that's you, bro.
You sure?
I don't want to.
For sure.
There's a minute car too.
Put my backpack in the back.
Have you done with the top down?
It's the first time in like a couple months.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause it's starting to get warm now.
Yeah.
In the coast, be posting that little bitch and I'll come in her throat.
Get the R6.
They said
Get the
I got my
R6.
gun and I stay with some dope. Asked the city how we came, we drove big bodies. She paid $20,000 to come sit by me. I passed the bitches to my homies, I might hit Polly. Pulling out the W, we left the big lobby. I went for walking up the block with my 20 sack. Putting bitches down on Fig, I got 100 racks. I want them niggas all dead, that's
nice,
how
right?
I feel too. I be driving
Yep.
to LA on a late night.
Right there, it's coming up. Double tap it. Double tap it to so hold it straight like this, and then double tap it. And then move it around with the joystick. To move it around and shit. Yeah.
Nigga, we done did it big, we on another level. Niggas give me out my character for like the devil. Niggas always say what they gon' do, they gotta show me. Beefing with her nigga made her suck like Kobe. Beat a nigga ass with a hammer if you owe me. I'm in San Antonio, I came with the Ginobili. I ain't like them niggas since they shot baby dopey. You know I can't get no passes, I can't star niggas. Lonely days in my cell, I couldn't call niggas. Don't give a fuck about no beef. Fuck y'all niggas, mask on. Drake on my lap, I come dog niggas. My bitch left a nigga side when I needed her most. And I only run LA.
Here's the bar. What's up with you, gang? Yeah. Good looks, good looks. Hold up. We're not doing that handshake, bro. Alright, let me check. Oh, yeah. Money good, money good. S2's yours. Here's your keys.
Your house keys.
You can take the house keys too if you want. Oh, yeah. It's a good day today. What shit not working, bro? I gave you, I got caught for you.
I think we should have just went through the drive-thru.
What?
Cause we got no racks.
We're gonna drive it. And I'm moving to RSX right now while I got my boy recording me. Yeah, so basically he just gave me opportunity to save money, and then he takes over the payments because the S2000 is leased, and I'm building my credit with that. So, and then he sold this RSX to his cousin that's recording. I need some water, man. You think 12 minutes is a good amount of time to wash two cars in one bay? So how you feel about the new S2? I was doing no damage with that. I was gonna wash it in the bay, but now I'm gonna take it to the drive-thru wash.
Please make your selection. Please make your selection. Please select one or more of the... Please wait while your transaction is being processed.
Smart guy, smart guy.
Thank you. When the wash is ready, thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Man, we're not washing our own cars. We got automated car washes for a reason. Unless your car is low. What do you want to drink? Huh? All right. How's it going, sir? What are we drinking?
Hello.
Hello.
You have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Rear ones are changed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great night.
Yep, you as well. Burger King?
So this one go on?
It's down that way then.
Right next door.
To my house?
Burger King right there.
I can't be lazy, my kid 100 plus and I could put that on my baby. Boxing cause he grew up in a very bitch that's in my mention. She trapping for this class, we gon' pay for your tuition.
Good looks on the Burger King.
No matter what's the situation, I ain't folding. Except you know when the album drop and it's loaded. Whether off a deuce or that drink and it loaded. I ain't really into checking prices, it's a total.
I'm gonna keep my Buddha under. I'm gonna keep my Buddha in there. Good shit. Thank you. That shit was on EE. I was like, I can't leave him like that. Love, it's hours. This is hours. Hella Spanish people. Oh, I'm fine, bro. Oh my God. My fries.
Is that legal to drink out there?
We're on the public sidewalk.
I don't think you're supposed to drink in public though.
Careful. No racing, bro. The clutch is bad. Don't lose that Buddha. Right here.
What is this thing called? I don't know what's up with me. I was expecting to play the other day. Niggas play Call of Duty instead. I was sad as fuck.
You should get PS5. Well, it's the same laptop I said. Get that one.
You?
Yeah.
No, who's driving back?
We both are.
Huh?
We both are.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping. I forgot. I sold the S2 to you.
Scared to drive?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
Damn, how am I supposed to go to work?
Like,
And I'm gonna Uber for like a week, wait for the bike to come in.
You gotta wait for it.
If I ship it.
About that time.
Yeah.
want me to put this one on here too?
Yeah. The other one's dirty. You can take that one out. But just put it next to the Buddha. If you're gonna take it out, just put everything in the Buddha area.
Yo, can you grab my baby from Nathan?
Alright, gang.
Alright, bro.
Fucking you got announce vape.
Alright, bro.
Alright. Yeah.
I had to go home, but she's my past, bro. I thought it was I was trying to fart, bro. I was trying to fart, and then fucking wasn't a fart, bro. Something came out wet. I'm like, fuck. So basically that shit on myself, bro.
What the fuck?
So I gotta go home. Do my
Can we do anything to get out of the fucking shop, bro?
Nah, bro, it was on purpose, bro. I swear to God, bro.
I think I'm fucking like,
Huh?
let's think Abby.
Yeah.